Zaigle Rolling Cooks can be tilted left and right, as well as roll, so it cooks food evenly without flipping it over. You don't have to sit and watch the cooking process in front of the stove anymore. You can cook other meals or use your time more freely. You can cook horizontally as well as tilting right and left. And you can cook easily and conveniently with one touch. Zaigle Rolling Cooks is an innovative product using an infrared light heating method that is different from existing air fryers. It cooks from the inside via infrared heat so that the outside is crispy and the inside is moist and delicious. It grills, fries, and stir-fries, from snacks to stunning dishes, with one Zaigle Rolling Cooks. In particular, it helps stir-fried dishes to soak up the seasonings evenly without flipping, which makes cooking much easier. A double lid structure for safety with a luxurious design. Anyone can use it easily with one-touch operation. The 24-hour timer function allows you to finish cooking at your preferred time without waiting in front of the stove. Do you worry about smoke every time you cook? Do you find it harder in winter when it's difficult to ventilate? Rolling Cooks enables comfortable cooking because it has no smell, smoke, or oil splatters. You can cook without oil, so you can cook healthier. Seasoned foods can also be cooked cleanly without making a mess around the stove. Easy cooking with Rolling Cooks. Easy to tidy up as well. Rolling Cooks can make food quickly at the high temperature of 240 degrees Celsius, so the taste isn't dry like other cookers. With the mind of spending more time with family, prepare meals by yourself for them with Rolling Cooks. More convenient, more relaxed, more delicious. It's possible with Rolling Cooks.